YouTube gang, I know it's been a minute, man, but we are back with another video finally, and it's a sad one kinda, but it is what it is, man. I am officially posting my twin turbo Boss 302 for sale. I know some of you have probably seen it on Facebook Marketplace and some of the Mustang groups on Facebook, but yeah, man, car's officially for sale. And you know, it's time to move on, man. I got some things I'm trying to work out, trying to start my own business and do some of these other things. So you know how that goes. Sometimes you got to get rid of the toys to get more toys in the future. So yeah, man, just making a video of the car so a lot of people can see it, like an updated video. Like, I posted the car online, but you know, getting a lot of questions, a lot of people asking me stuff. But as you can see, car is right here. I just washed it up a little bit. I'm up here at the car wash. It's actually, the scenery don't look good, but it is what it is. The car is what you're here to look at. And as you can see, the car is here. And yeah, man, you know, I can, like I said, I'll have everything. I have all the details, all the work done to it in the description, so you could just like look down in the description and it'll tell you everything you need to know about the car. But if you follow me, if you watch my YouTube videos and stuff, you probably already know. So most of the things, like I said, most of you already know. The people that's on this channel that subscribe know most of the things that's done to it, all the races I've done, everything. But you know, for the most part, it's a twin turbo Boss 302. The car started off as a Pro Charge car, and I like the turbos better. So we went with turbos. It's an on-3 twin 60 kit. I have ID 1300 injectors in there. I have, of course, UPR, oil catch cans. I have a Fore innovation fuel system on the car. So you know, if you didn't see my dyno video, you can look down through my videos. You can see the dyno video if you actually want to see it. But I know on gates the car made 675 and turned all the way up, it made 929. And of course it was spinning, so it probably made more than 929, but spinning on a dyno, it made 929. For the most part, the interior of the car is straight. It's not like, this car is not beat up or dirty or damaged or nothing like that. It is what it is. Of course I got this band-aid right here because it's a crack in the windshield, because I was riding behind the 18-wheeler on the highway, and I don't know if it was a rock or something came from up under the 18-wheeler and hit the windshield and cracked it. You know how that goes. It just, as soon as I decided I wanted to sell a car, that happened. Like, if you look through all my videos, my windshield's not cracking, none of them. As soon as I decided to get rid of the car, here we go. The car has, of course I run E85 in the car daily because I have a lot of E85 stations around me. But you can also run 93 is tuned by Lund. I have a 93 R tune and I have an E85 R tune. It has a cam tune on it if you into that kind of thing and you like that stuff. It has a cam tune on it. But yeah, man, you can look at some of my races. I've raced some super fast cars. This car is amazing. It's super fast. It has a lot of work done to it. I got suspension on there, of course, in the rear. You know, like a strong clutch, and it pulls really hard. And I drive the car basically every day. I drive the car to work almost every day. I don't have issues with it, nothing like that. It's a great car for anybody that's looking to get a jump start on the summer that we have coming, and they want, you know, something fast to keep up with the competition, man. My racing days and stuff for right now, my racing days are over for now. Of course it's not gonna be forever, but you know, I gotta do things. I'm about to sell this car, use the money to buy a truck, and you know, start a business, man. Start a business, and you know, just, it's about progression. It's about progressing, and of course I'll be back, man. Trust me, I will be back in the racing world. But of course, I think I won't buy anything if it don't have a snake on the side of it, because those are my favorite, actually. Like, Shelby's are my favorite. So I probably won't be back. Well, they kind of, 5.2 is basically a Coyote engine too, but I'll be back in the Shelby soon. It's not gonna be, but you know, like I said, I have homeboys that have Mustangs, so I'll still be trying to keep the channel alive, and I still have like, you know, I'm recording other things and stuff like that. But right now, my car is for sale, and if you want to buy the car, if you want to come see the car, get a test drive, the car is super fast. So I don't technically want nobody driving the car until I have money in my hand or whatever, because you know it's a lot can happen. I'm on street tires, I'm not on the radio, it's dangerous. So if you want to come see the car, you can come see it, and I can take you for a ride in it and show you everything is functional and everything works. If you need to see more pictures and stuff, this is my Instagram right here. You can go to my Instagram, and I have plenty of pictures and plenty of everything. Also, like I said, you can go through my YouTube channel and my YouTube history, and I have plenty of videos of racing at the track, the install of the turbo kit. I have basically everything. The car only has 69,000 miles on it. So it's like I said, you know, it's not a high mileage car. Like I said, the car is, you can drive it every day. Anywhere that you want to go, you can take it. It's not like a race car only. I could basically drive it anywhere I want to. I drove it to Mustang weekend back with no issues. I got a video of that too if you need to see it down in the description. But yeah, man, like I said, the car is perfectly running fine. I only want $25,000 for the car. Now, people, like a lot of people that seen the Facebook post online was worried about the car and asked me what was wrong with it because of the price. I priced the car to sell. I've sold a car before, and I don't have time for people telling me, hey, that car is too much. Do you see the market value? Do you know how much cars are today? Da, 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 da. So I'm selling it for a price so the car can sell, because it's like I said, it's things I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to get this car sold. I'm actually trying to get this car sold before May is over with. So hit me up now. I'm ready to meet now. I'm ready to sell now. Just hit me up and let me know what you want to do or how you want to do this. Because like I said, I have plans for the money and plans of things I got going on, and I don't have time. Like, I'm trying to get it sold quick. But yeah, man, like I said, you can DM me on Facebook. The car is on Facebook Marketplace right now. You can just DM me on there if you got any more questions, or you can hit me up on IG, Instagram, and the DMs. I respond really quickly to anybody that needs to talk or need to know anything, or, you know, want to come see the car. So this is the car running. It's perfectly fine. Like I said, it's no issues. It's not a trick. I'm not trying to trick anybody or scam anybody. The car runs. Let me get out and show you up under the hood. You'll hear there's no knock, no anything. As you can see, here's the car right here. See the turbo spinning. You can hear the car idling. It's on E85 right now. You smell it. E85 just reeks from this car. It's just how it does. As you can see, the car is running. No issues, no problems. Like I said, I know a lot of people seen the price and thought it was something wrong with the car because of the price I was selling it for. But like I said, I priced the car to sell. I'm not trying to make back the money that I put into the car. I'm just trying to move on from the car right now and keep going. I don't have to sell it. I want to sell the car. I don't have to sell it. So I'm not in a rush. Don't try to lowball me or nothing like that. I just want the car to sell so I can move on and do something else. But it's not like a dire need. I don't have to sell the car. So I'm not desperate or nothing like that. So man, like I said, just hit me up. Let me know what you think. I'm about to go for a drive in it so you can see that the car gets in boost and everything is fine. Y'all keep watching, man. Like I said, you can see the car is perfectly fine. It gets in the boost. Like I said, see, it's no issues. Everything is fine. Like, I know a lot of people was worried about the car because of the price, but like I said, if you watch my channel, you know I take care of my cars, but you know how that goes. You still gotta prove with some people, whatever. But yeah, man, the car is perfectly fine. As you can see, I'm driving it. No issues whatsoever. You can hit it. Car is perfectly fine, man. Just like I said, not trying to scam anybody, you know, whatever. It's a beautiful car, man. Like I said, I hate that I gotta see the car go, but you know, it is what it is, man. I gotta, you know, do the right thing, make more money for the family. You know, it's just how I go. Building cars easily. I built this car easily. I can easily do it again. It's not a big deal. So, you know, like I said, hit me up if you know you wanna. Look, all gears run too. Look, third gear. fourth gear. Everything is fine. The transmission is fine, engine is fine, everything is fine. I'm gonna post this video in the groups too, because so like I'll just send this video out to people if they need to see the car in action. Now, like I said, this video was made. Let me see if I can get a good time. This video was made on Thursday, May 23rd at 7:12. This is not an old video. This is a current video of the car in the status right now. I'm trying to get to the gas station right here, but I can give y'all some revs. As you can see, look. Car's fine, man. Looking for a new home, man. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully somebody buy it that I can actually like see and be able to come see the car, whatever. You can see the crack on the windshield pretty good now. That's the only really thing that I hate that happened, but you know, this is how it go when you're trying to sell a car, man. Sometimes little funny things happen. Make you spend money before you get rid of the car. It's just how it goes. Car gets a lot of attention from a lot of people, man. It just, I was actually just talking to somebody while I was washing the car. I should have recorded it. Like I said, if you watch my videos, you already know that the car on E85. But yeah, man, you already know. Like I said, it's E85 station right by the house, so I can always just get E85 whenever I want. Car's on E right now, but I can put it on 93. This is the boost controller right here. I can turn the boost up and down. I can show you a little small example. Like the duty cycle. See, I can turn the duty cycle up as much as I want to. That's adding boost to the car. And when you turn the duty cycle up and down. But yeah, man, like I said, car's good, man. Looking for a nice home, man. Looking for a nice home for the car. Y'all let me know. I'm a little sweaty right now, man. You know, it's hot. I've been doing a lot. I just jumped up, made this video, did a lot of running, ran to the car wash, did this, did that. But yeah, man, like I said, the car's legit. Working on some new things, planning on starting a business, a trucking business and stuff like that. So I'm gonna need the cash. 302 gang, I love y'all, man. Thank you to everybody that supported me with this car and all the things I had going on. Y'all really motivated me to build this entire car. Like, y'all motivated me to keep going. All the race events I went to, the street racing, all the stuff that I did, y'all motivate me to do that, man. I appreciate all the comments, appreciate the DMs and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. Like, I really, really do. But you know, like I said, I'm gonna keep the channel alive. I'm gonna keep posting stuff. I'm gonna keep on keeping it on. So, you know, just stay with me. Look for updates. Look for this, look for that. Even when I do purchase my truck and do all the other stuff, I'm gonna make sure I record that and put it in here too. I'm gonna take y'all on this business journey with me also. I'm sweating so much, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me also. We're gonna be going to see things, maybe test drive cars, maybe do this, do that, go see cars. Even when somebody bought a car, I'm gonna record me bringing the car to them, or record the whole transaction of the car driving off. We got people acting up out here because they see the car, man. I'm telling you, the car's worth it. $25,000, that's all I'm asking for the car. So let's get to the house, man. Should do a hard launch at this red light and show y'all what this car really could do, but nah, I ain't gonna do that. It says, like I said, I'm trying to get rid of it. Oh, it's a Mustang behind me. Look at a Mustang behind me. But yeah, nah, I was gonna do a hard launch, but I'm not. But you can see the gears though. Look, first, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. But yeah, like I said, man, the car runs amazing, man. Cold starts in the morning, great. Everything is great with the car, man. Like, if you're looking for something for the summer to, you know, to get out here and get wild, man, you know, make sure you hit me up, man. Hit me up on all my socials and let's talk business. Let's talk business, man. I'm trying to, you know, take that next step in my life. So, you know, we'll be back to the cars, I promise. I'm not gonna be gone for long. Just gotta make some money elsewhere doing other things real quick. So, you know, like I said, man, hit me up, man. It's your boy, and don't forget about me, man.